Hello people, just doing a quick update. I've been working on this for a long time, and some of y'all may have seen that I installed the shifter inside. I gotta cut a hole and bring it to the shifter so I can finish transmission. And I also did the master cylinder hydraulic line. I made my own, and that's where this is at currently at the moment. So it's nowhere near finished because I have to work on this. What am I doing? Well, for those of you that are aware, my engine block is cracked. All right, so what did I do for now, because the car's been sitting? I drained the oil last week. This week I added new oil back in it, and I'm running it because I want to make sure that nothing inside the engine gets rusty. And the reason I have a rag up here is so that the water that's in the engine, the moisture, evaporates. All right, and I'm letting it escape out through there, and I don't have the radiator cap on because I don't want to build pressure to push more water into the engine, because this engine, even though it's cracked, it's a perfectly motor. Everything inside of it is new. Everything inside of it is perfect. All right, and I'm waiting for a new engine block. I could use that one, but that has a completely different compression ratio and blah 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 blah. It's a different engine build. I don't want. That's not for this car. This car, I have specific mods done to it, and I'm going to be rebuilding the motor with a new block. So once the new block comes in, hopefully it's not cracked like the ones you guys saw on my last video, if you guys seen it. Hopefully we can get this engine going out, the new engine block modified and ready to accept all the internals from this motor, and then we'll move from there, get this one back outside and continue on that one. But for now, my baby is my priority, and my side chick can wait. Talk to you guys later.